In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your earning on Ember mining app. Here I am on the mining page of my Ember app, and here as you can see I have 17,386 Satoshis and I would like to withdraw them. So the first thing we need to do is we need to click on this button on the right side that says boost. It will take us to this page where you can see how many people you have invited, and you need to scroll down all the way under the about section where it says available rewards. One thing to keep in mind is that you need to check for the next distribution date. So once you are in here, as you can see here, the next distribution date is the 4th March 2022, and under that you can see I have 17,386 Satoshis, and the minimum withdrawal is $5, or at the current rate it's 12,688 Satoshis, and I have more than that, and it's also 4th of March, so I should be able to withdraw my earning today. So for that, let's click on this button which says withdraw to wallet, and then we will be presented with a question says where would you like to send your reward. So here we have only one option, it's Ember Bitcoin wallet, and once this amount sits in our Ember wallet, then we can move it to any other wallet that we want. So let's check this Ember Bitcoin wallet, and then we need to click on continue, and it will take us to another page where you can see the amount that you are going to withdraw, and then after that, once we go through that, then we can click on the withdraw button, and boom, your withdrawal request has been successfully proceed. So now click on this OK button, and then we have to wait for 24 hours, and then we will be able to see this amount on our wallet. So let's go back, and then let's click on this button in the middle. So when I click on this middle button, it shows me the amount I have in my wallet. Right now it's only 0 USD, but it will take 24 hours for the earning to be processed to my wallet. So in this video I showed you how you can withdraw your earning on the Ember app. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Till next video, it's goodbye.